by you. Just go. Me, doctor, lawyer, scientist, and teacher. And me can't even read neither.
How you saying him?
Ageable.
Okay.
I want to write a book, but me don't know how to start writing it. Maybe have to just see the world and just tell the world how the book would have sound when me dey write. Because me would put nothing false in the book. My book would be a history book. Anybody would have hold on and shouldn't dash away. And if you can do research, and go check it out and you find out the real truth. Trust me. You tell man say, remember when my mother used to carry 2 away in her hand and 1 bad on her clothes on her head. So that means to say, if you're a woman, if you carry 1 bad on her clothes on her head and 2 baby in her hand,
she have to strong to do that.
and must 2 little baby.
Yeah, most 2 little baby.
I may remember that. I remember when my mother, this is she can't carry me no more. And his son had burned me foot like it and burned half.
When she not come from river?
River. I remember that. Some people are going to say, you can't remember that. Remember when my mother last baby dead? And mass wisdom of it, baby upon one, little back upon one bench. And mass wisdom of it lift me up to look in at the box. Baby name no mind. My mother last baby. When I hide, never shed good.
Where's that little girl?
You know, about 1961, 61, because independence come 62.
And she died
She
before
dead
that.
before 62.
And you remember that?
Of course, remember.
Oh wow.
Of course, remember.
So it's like you're having memories from you was 2 years old.
Me say, me care, but me remember. My mother registered me and my sister and my brother together. And my younger brother birth certificate of 1958. My younger brother birth certificate of 1958. And my one of 1959. You understand me? Yes, sir.
Yeah.
No, I get me practice. I get me practice. So, no feel no way. Me that really will do a little bit tonight.
A true man.
No, listen, I don't want that. Because somebody can sleep in a garbage. Mommy and her foot. I don't know if we're in a hotel they don't know.
But you don't know what tell neither. You don't know what tell neither, so. Me that really do it.
One driving and one move, man. One get up, man. So when you get up here and reach out, I get up here, I get up again. You know, I go to
Me that really do it
a street.
Me that really do it bed comfort tonight.
Yeah. And we have to get there for the roast right now. So we have to show the back, man. Because the man, I'm sure I have enough I can cook next week.
How old am I there?
Not more only thing, not goat, not friendship. You couldn't cut off one leg from me, brother, man.
Boy,
When me are married, you make sure say, me left but this for you. So when everything done, you have this. So me no bother worry about nothing. Me think say you go have a...
something. By the time you jump off, I go and get back here. I did because we are run for the night, you know. So when you don't put your business, you know no hesitation.
Because late you start, you know.
Yeah, man. So I'm so glad for know say. By the night come say, Father God, me know I know that don't be that cold. I rain come in and
get drunk. You have to fight me off, you have to put on your face.
Yeah.
Stop talking like but you know that talk about the Father. If you see too close.
Yes, sir. That's your face and do so close.
You know the pressure with me hand when you have to do so. You don't know.
If you know, then let me tell you to hold him.
You know the
They say, yeah, you can't hold him, so you have to push him down and hold him down. I mean, insert the knife in every hand.
If I you have beat me off, long one.
And you can't keep your foot getting fear. You kick out the eye, you know.
I got trunk sitting in on my youth. When they realize that death are coming up,
No, you tear off.
you will tear you up,
Worse
man.
than feel like if the death are come, the knock kick me light to you.
No, man, you will tear you up, man.
Blind
And
your
if you
eye.
keep kicking it with my pedal, you know.
Blind your
Yeah,
eye.
man.
If I had running in your car, look how you can mash up. Because I take him out and do like so.
When you not do it, they get frozen and put no water.
Yeah, take out your
Alright,
the
you
frog.
I get out here already.
Alright, you know. You coach you. And you run the game. Me sitting and teach you.
Me no mind running to that.
What?
And the boy no teach me nothing. God Almighty and my father teach me. And me teach true people. People not teach me. When me say man go thief. Me no glad they thief. But when me see them when they do to him, he tell me say me no fit thief. You
Learn
understand?
from experience.
Yeah. No, my experience, me learn from a
And
lot
it
of
up-
people,
yeah.
people experience. So boy, now if you can't tell me say, me no fit thief. You know? Me not go see a man money and know say a man money last and I me take up it and can't feel good for keep it. Me a give him back. Cause me wouldn't have none if you know last year anyway. So give him back him money.
Mm-hmm.
You can't tell me, say me can't tell the judge say, yes, you are now. And me really stab him man, but him in trouble me do. So if you know no mercy upon me, because him never have no mercy upon me, God will have mercy upon me.
So if you don't have no mercy for you, and him a come to kill you and you stab him forget when no self-defense that man.
You don't know who you want to call it. But him never have no mercy. That he can't try to kill me. And me try to help myself. And him get hurt. And you know you runner. You still not have no mercy upon me. Well, that's alright. God will have mercy upon me. That's why it's set up. To me, I am a liar in that field. Because me tell you lie, just and me touch him. Why me touch him? Because him try to touch me. See. So don't tell me say when me sick, me can't go do me father tell me say if you do. And get rid of the belly ache. I get rid of the constipation. So me become a doctor. You understand me?
Mm-hmm.
So when the Almighty tell me say certain things, go tell a man the certain things. I become a scientist.
So you leave from lawyer, then doctor, then scientist.
I am the all of them.
Okay.
And me can define them and show you. See, so it's set up. Can me do what my father tell me if you do what doctors wouldn't tell me. So me get rid of the constipation, that's a doctor do that. Must sleep.